It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 Encore GX Essence. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Encore GX. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, the programmable memory seat, and the power liftgate button. We're able to set that to maximum opening 3/4 or turn it right off. We've also got door storage and a front speaker. To the left of the steering wheel are the lighting controls. This is our power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, all-weather floor matting, a leather interior, and a power moonroof up above. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio buttons. This is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power moonroof buttons, and OnStar. This is Buick's infotainment center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it also doubles as our backup camera. We're able to turn that guidance off or back on. The engine push start button, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, some USB ports and power plug-in. Here we have auto stop start, all-wheel drive, lane departure alert, and traction control. At the front of the Encore GX, we've got fog lights, LED headlamps, 18-inch high-gloss aluminum wheels, a 1.3-liter turbo engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission, roof rails up top, the side mirrors have side blind zone alert, rear tinted windows, the door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, remote start, the rear window wiper, and the power lift gate. I'm going to use the key fob here. Push that button twice to open up the power lift gate. In the trunk, we've got plenty of cargo storage space, cargo hooks, a light, and a spare tire compartment down below. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has a power plug-in and USB ports, all-weather matting in the rear. This middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to fold the rear seats down by simply pulling the lever on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2021 Encore GX Essence today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.